Right. So this was the question, right? So 2 whole
Yes.
1 by 3 kg and 700 grams. So what is 2 whole 1 by 3 in decimal? What is 1 by 3 in decimal?
Mama, round now.
All right. So 1 by 3 is basically, na, if you want to find out what is 1 by 3 in decimal, so you need to put 1 inside the division and you can put 3 outside. Can you see where I'm dividing in the page?
Yes.
All right. So how to divide it? Because 1 is smaller and 3 is bigger. So actually you cannot divide. So it means you need to put the decimal. And when you will put the decimal in the answer, you can put a 0 here, right? So then you can divide. Now you can
Yes.
divide it. 3 threes are 9 and the 1 comes again. You might have done this division in class 5 when you were learning about decimals, when you learned about decimals, and in first term of 6th class when you did terminating, non-terminating. Remember that recurring decimals?
Yes.
So 1 by 3 is basically 0.3, right? So we can write down it is 2.3 kg. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
2 by 3 kg ratio, 700 grams. So in which unit we should go?
Ma'am, fractions?
They like in which unit we should convert them? Should we go in grams or
Ma'am,
kilograms?
ma'am,
In
grams.
in grams. So if I change this kilogram into gram, I will multiply 2.3 with 1000. So now what will be 2.3 multiplied by 1000?
Ma'am, we have one digit and we will add two zeros in front of
Very
three,
good.
and then it will
Very good.
be 2300.
Very good. Excellent. So 2300 grams and 700 grams. Now because the unit is same, so we will not write down the unit. We will just write down 2300 ratio 700, right? So now we can just
Ma'am,
cut the
add
two
zeros with
zeros.
zeros.
That's right. And the answer would be 23 ratio 7, right? And this cannot be simplified any further because 27 is also a prime number. 23 is also a prime number. So there is no common factor. We cannot simplify it. This will be your answer then.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now today we will move on to the next topic. Let me show you the objective first, what we will do in
We
today's
have
class.
done,
Which
ma'am, we
one?
have done unknown values.
That's right.
Unknown
We will,
values.
that's right. So we will do this learning objective, find the value of unknown in the given ratio, right? So there would be unknown in the ratio and we will solve it. Like we will find the value of that unknown, right? So this is the second worksheet which we are going to do today. So 1.02. We will start with simple question and then we will do the questions of exercise because worksheets are simpler. आपने देखा है worksheet के questions are easy. So this is the worksheet for this topic. 3 ratio x is equal to 5 ratio 7. So how to solve it? I need to find the value of x.
Yes.
Sorry?
Yes, ma'am, we have to find the value of x.
So how to
Ma'am,
solve it?
ma'am, first write in the form of fraction.
Very good, very good. First write in form of fraction. So what will this be?
Ma'am,
3
3
by
on
3
x
by x is
is
equal to,
equal 5 by 7.
very good, 5 by 7. Now what to do?
Cross multiplication.
Very good. Cross multiplication. Very good, Abrish. So we will do the cross multiplication. So it will be 5x is equal to 7 3s are 21. Right?
21.
So now what to
Yes,
do?
ma'am. Now it is the answer, right?
But this
20.
5 is extra, na? We need to find the
Yes, ma'am.
value of x. This 5 is extra. So we will divide both sides with 5.
Yes,
Right? So this 5 will be cancelled. So x is equal to 21 by 5.
21.
Okay? Or we should write it in the mixed fraction because this is improper fraction. So if you change it into the mixed number, can you tell me what is 21 by 5 in the mixed form? This is improper fraction. Na? So we write down improper fractions as mixed number in the answer. So do you know how to convert it into mixed number? Abrish? So let me tell you, we need to put 25 inside and 5 outside. So this is 5 fours are 20. So this is the division. So we will write it like this, 4 wholes 1 by 5. This is your answer. So remember that when the answer of a question is in improper fraction, so you need to convert that improper fraction into the mixed number. If it is the proper fraction, so then it should be written as a simplest form, in the simplest form, right? Is it clear?
Ma'am, can you explain last two steps?
All right. So I was saying, okay, this is clear now why we divided both sides with 5,
Yes, ma'am.
so that this is cancelled, right? We are left with x only. So the answer was 21 by 5. I was telling you, okay, because this is improper fraction, this is improper fraction. So whenever the answer is improper fraction, you should convert that improper fraction into a mixed number, right? And why you need to
Okay,
do,
ma'am.
because this is the proper way of writing. 21 by 5 is also a correct answer. This is also a correct answer, but it's a good way to convert improper fraction into a mixed number. So how to do that? Just divide 21 by 5 and keep the remainder as it is. And now you can write down 4 wholes 1 by 5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So moving on to next question. So this question is 2x ratio 4. So how to write it? 2x
Ma'am,
by,
2x by 4
that's right. And here
is equal 3 by 6.
3 by 6. Very good. Now what to do?
Now, cross multiplication.
Very good. Cross multiplication. So 2 into 2x multiplied by 6. What will be the answer?
12x.
2x, 12x. And what is 4 into 3? That is also
For
12,
12.
right? So now 12x is 12. So what to do? How to get rid of this 12?
Ma'am, write 12 under it in the denominator.
12 in the denominator. So x is equal to 12 divided by 12. This is what you were saying?
Yes.
All right. So x is equal to 1. This time the answer is that x is equal to 1, right? So Bite, are you able to understand? If there is any
Yes.
question, you need to tell me, okay? So next question is x ratio 10 is equal to 4 ratio 5. So we will convert them into the fractions. So what will those fractions be? X by
X by 10 is
mm,
equal 4 by
4 by 5. So now you can just cross multiply. Cross multiply, so it would be 5x is equal to 10 fours are 40. So now if you take this 5 on the other side of the equation, so it will go in the division. So x will be equal to 40 by 5. So what will be the value of x here in this question?
If we divide it, so the
Mm,
answer is 9, 8.
Not 9, 8. Very good. 8 is the answer, right? So this is your answer. So now the next question, with still the things are simpler. So can you help me in writing these two questions? Can you help me in solving these? What would be the first step?
Ma'am, write in the pattern 5 by 3 is
Mm,
equal 8 by
Right.
x.
Very good. 8 by x. And then
Or
then
cross
cross
multiply
multiply
by
5x.
5x equal 24.
Hmm. And then,
Then write 5 under both.
all right, I can write 5 under both. And x would be 24 by
Yes.
5. Right? So this is again an improper fraction. So it's a good habit to change it into the mixed number. 24, keep inside, divide by 5. 5 fours are 20 and the 4 remainder. So the answer is 4 whole 4 by 5. Right?
X is equal to whole 4 by 5.
X is equal to 4 wholes 4 by 5. So, Bete, can I skip question 5 and 6? They
Yes,
are
ma'am.
the similar questions, right? So we can solve question number 7 now. So question number 7 is different because there are fractions. So what to do now? There is a fraction. So how can I change it into the fraction form? Abrish, what do you say? How to write it in the fraction form?
Ma'am, we haven't done this yet. I
All
don't
right.
know.
All right. So this side is easier because there is simple whole numbers. So we can just write it down as 5 by 6, right? So whenever there are fractions now, so we will use division sign instead. Instead of writing like this, na, ke x by 2 by 3. So this is wrong way of writing fraction. We cannot write like this. So we will write down x by 2 divided by 3 because this is what by means, right? X by 2 by 3. So now how to solve this division sign? Can you recall?
Mm,
Yeah, how to solve division?
right. We can make 3 also as a fraction. 3 by 1.
Right. 3 by 1. And then
And then divide them.
we cannot divide. Can you recall the operations on fractions? How to divide two fractions?
Ma'am, denominator would be same.
No, that is for addition and subtraction, right? So we make the denominator same when the two fractions are added or the two fractions are subtracted. When it is division, so first of all we convert this division into multiplication sign. And how do we do that? We take the reciprocal of the second fraction. कुछ याद आया?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? So how to divide two fractions? We change this division sign into multiplication sign and we take the reciprocal. It was 3 by 1 and when we change the sign into multiplication sign, now it is 1 by 3, right? So now we can just multiply. X into 1 is x and 3 into 2 is 6. So x by 6 is equal to 5 by 6. So now what to do?
Now,
There are 6 in
deduct
the denominator. So I can just cut them. 6 can
them.
be cancelled. So x will be 5,
X is equal to 5.
right? So whenever there are decimals or fractions, we will use division sign. If there are decimal in the question, just like in question number 9 or 10, so we will convert those decimals into fractions and then we will write down, instead of writing by, we will use division sign and we will take the reciprocal and change the sign into the multiplication sign, right? So same is the case in question number 8. So the right hand side is easier, 4 by 9. On the left hand side, because the both quantities are fractions, what I will do, I will write down like this: 2 by 3 divided by x by 4. Is this step clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, very good. So now we will change this division sign into multiplication sign
Multiplication
and
sign.
this fraction will be reversed. So it will be 4 by x is equal to 4 by 9, right?
Ma'am, our teacher tell that in division we take reciprocal, not in multiplication.
Sorry, bete. Yes, in
Ma'am,
division we take the reciprocal, na? So we took
yes,
the
we
reciprocal
change them.
when we converted division into multiplication, right? Is it clear,
Okay, ma'am.
Amrish? Is there any question? Like division turned into multiplication and the reciprocal was taken,
Okay,
right?
ma'am. Understand.
So now we
Ma'am, I
can just
understand.
multiply. All right. So because now we cannot cancel them, so we will just multiply. There is 2 and 4 in the numerator, so 4 twos are 8 divided by this is 3x
4
now.
2 are 8.
That's right. This is 3 multiplied
Yes.
by x. 3x is equal to 4 by 9. So now what to do? We need to do what?
Cross multiplication.
Cross multiply. So what is 3x into 4?
3x into 4 is 12x.
Very good. And what is 8 into 9?
72.
72. So now x, we could divide both sides with 12. So x will be what? Can you tell me what is the simplest form of 72 by 12? What is the simplest form?
Ma'am, it is 6.
That's right. 12 6 are 72. So x is 6, right? And this is your answer. Is it clear? So in question number 9 also
Yes,
there is a
ma'am.
decimal. So decimal hai, to remember that we will change decimal into fraction. So 0.5
Yes.
would be 5 by 10. Ratio
Yes.
x is equal to 2 ratio 3. So
2,
now we can
3.
just, this is an extra step. Now we will do the same thing. We will write it down 5 by 10 divided by x is equal to 2 by 3,
2 by 3.
right? So this is x by 1 actually. So when we will change this division into multiplication sign, so this will be reversed,
1 by
multiplied
x.
with 1 by x. Very good. Is equal to 2 by 3. So now you can just
Yes.
multiply the numerators and the denominators. So this will be 5 by 10x is
5
equal
by
to
10x and is equal to 2 by 3.
2 by 3, right? So now we can just do what? We can
We can cross multiply it.
cross multiply it. So what will be the answer? 5 into
Uh,
3 is
5 into 3 is 15.
15 is equal to
Is equal to
10x into 2,
20x.
20x. Very good. So divide both sides with 20. So
Yes.
this will be x is equal to 15 by 20. So 3 by 4. This is your
Yes.
value of x. Right? Is
Ma'am,
there any
can
question?
ma'am, if we write downwards 20, so how did we divide or cut?
Which one? This one. This 20 was cancelled now. So
Yes.
x is equal to 15 by 20. So we can divide it with 5. So 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. So the simplest form is 3 by 4.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. So now moving on to next question. So again a fraction in the question. So what to do? We will use
Um,
division sign,
yes.
right? And this 0.6 decimal hai, so we will change decimal into
Fraction
fraction.
is 6 by 10.
That's right. And what will this be? 3 by?
3 by 8.
Hmm. So now what to do? Change this division sign into
Multiplication
multiplication
sign.
sign. And this fraction will be?
Um, 10 by 6.
Very good. 10 by 6 is equal to 3
3
by
by 8.
8. So now we can just multiply the numerator. So it is 10x is equal to 6 fours are 24 is equal
24
to 3
and
by
8.
8. Right? Now you can cross multiply. So it would be 80x
80x and 3 4 is 12.
24 threes are
72.
72. So now we need to divide both sides with 80.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you divide both sides with 80, so the answer would be this 80 is
Ma'am,
cancelled.
80 is cancelled. Then left with 72 by 8. 80.
Divided
It
with
would be 2
8.
by. Yes.
So 8
Answer.
nines are 72. 8 tens
Yes.
are,
And 80.
that is the answer. Right? So any question in
Yes,
this?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
All right. So now we can just look at the same topic from the book also. So we are having some
Okay.
questions from book. Let me show you.
Ma'am, I have a question. Ma'am, Alia didn't solve that question and I have problem. Can I share that one question?
Ji bete, which one?
Ma'am, let me.
Is it from the
The
same topic?
yes, ma'am.
All right. So is it from the
She
book?
think yeah, yes, ma'am.
All right. So let me open the
Ma'am,
exercise. Okay. Okay,
it
I'm
is
waiting.
from 9A. I
Acha,
think
let
so.
me open 9A. Yes, only 9A is included in the syllabus. 9A ke hi question hai. So which one? There is this question number. Let me see where are the questions.
This one question. A ratio B ratio C is equal 75, 120 and ratio 132. We have to simplify A, B, C. A
Mhm.
ratio B ratio C.
All right. This is
Yes,
not
ma'am.
difficult. This question number, I think, so 6 you're talking about. So this is not this is not difficult. I don't know why you were unable to understand it. Let's say, this is the three ratios are compared. Now three quantities are compared. So we need to see with which number we can divide them because we need to simplify. So with which number I can divide these three?
With it can't be with 2.
Hmm. But it can be
Ma'am,
with,
I think we should check with 3.
yes, it is divisible by 3. What is the divisibility rule of 3? It says that if the sum of the numbers is divisible by 3. So 7 plus 5 करें तो 12 comes. 12 is in the table of 3. 120 में 2 और 1 add करें तो 3 आता है. That is also coming in table of 3. So in the last one, 1, 3 और 2 अगर आप add करें तो the answer is 6. 6 also comes in table of 3. ठीक है? So we need to divide all of them with 3. So if you divide 75 by 3, what will be the answer?
25.
25. If you divide 120 by 3, it will be 40. And if you divide 132, it would be 44, right?
Yes.
Can I still divide with any number?
No, ma'am.
No, I cannot. So this is the simplest form. Now they're saying find B ratio A. So what do you think is B ratio A? If this is equal to A ratio B ratio C, so then definitely what is the value of A? A is,
A is 25.
that's right, B is,
B is 40.
and C
And C 44.
is 44 because we know that in ratio order matters, right? So now we need to write out find B ratio A. So what is B ratio A? What is B?
B
What is
is
B?
40,
40. And what is A?
25.
A is 25. So but this can be simplified, right? We can simplify it, na?
Yes, ma'am.
We can divide it
Yes, ma'am.
with 5.
With 5.
That's right. So the answer would be 8 5s are 40 ratio 5. This is your answer of B ratio A. Got it?
Okay.
So now B ratio C. What is value of B?
40 and C is 44.
C is 44.
It can be simplest with 4.
That's right. With 4, we can simplify it with 4. So it would be 10 ratio 11. This is the answer. I hope you can see it
Okay,
on
ma'am,
your
I
screen.
understand.
You
Ma'am,
understand
I
it now, no?
understand.
All right,
Yes.
that's great. ठीक है?
It was easy, but
So,
I was thinking that it is difficult. It is easy.
it yes, you might you were not able to understand probably at that time, right? So now let's see. I cannot see any question where the unknowns are there. Okay, there is question number
Mm,
13 I can see.
yes, ma'am.
Only question number 13. No, there is this question number
Ma'am, we
4
have done
also.
this question in school.
Fourth one?
Yes.
Fourth, have you done?
Yes. Now we can do it
Fine.
again.
We can do it again. So find the value of a if a is equal to, ये तो बहुत simple है. What would be the fraction a by? What would be the fraction of this? A by
A by 400.
is equal to 6 by. Can you see on your screen what I'm writing, bete?
Yes.
So this will come, है ना? A by 400 is equal to 6 by 25. So now we can cross multiply. If we cross multiply, we will get 25a is equal to. Actually, now because 6 and 400 is there, so 6 fours are 2400, right? So now because I
Yes.
need to find a, so I will divide both sides with 25.
Ma'am, we can write it A is equal 2400 by 25 and then divide 25 with 2400.
Hmm. We can do
And the
that.
answer would be 96.
96. Right, very good. So 96 is the value of a, right? So now the
Yes.
same question, second part. So this is very interesting. What is this 4 square
Ma'am, this
and
is
3 square?
operation
Which
cube
operation? Square.
and
These are both
square
square numbers. What is 4 square?
16.
16. What is 3 square?
9.
9 is equal to 8 ratio
8
3b.
by 3.
So now we can write it down as a fraction. What is the fraction of these two?
16 by 9 and 8 by 3b.
Right? 8 by 3b. So now you can just cross multiply. So it would be
Yes.
16, 18, 1 carry 48 by 48, not by actually. 48 is equal to 48b is equal to 8 nines are 72. Is this step clear, bete? We
Yes,
have
ma'am.
done cross multiplication. 16 threes are is 48. So 48b is equal to 8 nines are 72. So now what is b?
Um, B is 72.
72 by 48. This 48 is in the multiplication. It will go in the division on the other side, right? So now with which number I can divide? With 12?
Yes.
I can divide with 12.
12 6 are 72 and 12 4 is at 48.
So I can still divide it with,
2.
I can still divide it
It,
with 2. So 3 by,
it is 3 by 4.
or in the fraction form, it will be 1 whole 1 by 2,
Yes.
right? जी बेटे, any question?
No, ma'am.
All right, very good. So now moving on to this question number 13. जी बेटे, can you see the question? So question is, given that 2x by 5 is equal to 3y by 8, find the ratio of x ratio y. So what to do? There are two variables, two unknowns, so we cannot solve them.
Yes.
और हमने solve करना भी नहीं है. हमने क्या निकालना है? हमने this time we are not finding the variable. This time we are finding a ratio. So हमने basically क्या निकालना है? X by y निकालना है. Okay, what is the value of x by y? So we will solve this question. 2x by 5 is
Ma'am,
equal to
but we
3.
can cross multiply.
That's right. Excellent. Very good. So we can cross multiply. I'm looking for some space, maybe. I think so. I can utilize this space, maybe. So we can cross multiply. If we cross multiply them, so what will be the answer?
Answer is 10x.
Mm-hmm.
No,
10x. 8 twos are
it was 16. Sorry,
16x is equal to
and 15y.
15y. Now I will take this y on the other side of the equation and this 110 also. So it will be x by y is equal to 5y. X by y. Just give me a minute. X by y is equal to 5y.
5 by 16.
15. X by y is 15 by 110.
How, ma'am?
Like I want the value of x by y now. So I have taken this y here and I have taken this 110 on the other side.
No, ma'am. This is not 110. This is 16.
I think so. There is some problem. It is 16. I think so. I did a mistake while writing and then I 16 110 ही बन गया. Let me write it down again. You're right. ये 16 था ना. So I forgot it. मैंने इसको 110 बना दिया. ये 16 था. 16x is equal to 15y, right? So now we can rearrange. X by y is equal to 16 by
16 by x. 16 by 15.
16 by 15 के 15 by 16.
Ma'am, 16 by 15 because 16 has x and 15 has y.
Which is coming first. X by y का मतलब है you have taken this y here, right? So यहाँ पर 15, right? Let me do it in two steps. If I am taking this y यहाँ पर multiply हो रहा है ना, on the other side of the equation it will go in the division. So 16x by y is equal to 15. Is this step clear? I have taken this y to the other
Yes,
side of the equation. So now I can bring
yes,
this
ma'am.
16 to this side of the equation. So x by y is equal to 15 by 16. Is it making sense now?
Yes.
All right. So this is how you need to solve this question. Last question as well. We need to find x ratio y, right? We need to find x by y. And the question is 7x by 9 is equal to 14y by 3. So how to solve it? We will do
Cross multiply.
cross multiply. So 7x into 3
Uh, it is 21x and then 14 into 9.
and 14 into 9.
eh,
So what is
120
126? Mm,
y.
oh, but I have written 21 by x. Sorry.
And this is wrong.
It should be 21. X is equal to 14 into 9 was 126. Y. Is it okay now?
Yes.
Now it's fine. So now I can take this y on the other side of
Yes.
the equation. So it will be 21x by y is equal to
Ma'am,
120. Sorry?
ma'am, it is 126, but you have written 120.
Oh, because I think so it was also. Right? So is it fine now? 126.
Yes.
So now I will take this 21 on the other side. So x by y is equal to 126 by 21. So can I divide with any number?
3.
I can divide with 3. So 4 3s are 12, 42 by 3 7s are 21. Can I still
42
divide?
times 7. Yes, with 7.
7. 6 7s are 42, 6 by 1. So what
And
is x
6
ratio
by
y?
7.
X ratio y is equal to 6 ratio 1,
6:1.
right? Is it clear, Bete? With all the steps which we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
done? Right,
Yes.
very good. Very good. So then, have you done this question number 8 as well? I think so. You have not done
No,
this question 8.
no, ma'am.
Right, right, right.
Ma'am said that this question is like question number 3, so we no need to do this question.
That's right. It is not included, I believe. So now let's say I will give you some of the questions you can do right now, maybe, and tell me the answers. Let's say, mm, this one. Can you see? Practice now 4.
Yes.
So can you solve these questions and tell me the answers?
Ma'am, question 1 and 2 both.
जी बेटे. The first one is very easy. What would be the fraction of this?
Ma'am, can you zoom in?
जी बेटे, I can zoom it. Is it better now? जी बेटे, are you solving them?
Yes.
So बेटे, what is the answer of first part?
First, I get 8 5s are 9. 5 3s are 15, 15 8, and then 7 8s are was 42.
42. So like 3a ratio 7. So 3a by 7, 8 by 5. So cross multiply we did. So 15a is equal to, its 7s are 56 था ये. So now what is a? 56 by 15.
15.
जी बेटे, are you having the same answer?
Yes.
So then what is answer of part B? 5 ratio B. So 5 ratio B is fine. 5 ratio B is 5 square ratio 4 square. So how we are going to write it down? Hmm. How
Ma'am,
to write down then?
ma'am, there is a value we have not to simplify like that is 56 and down is 15. So it is improper. So we can change it in the mixed fraction.
That's right. Very good. That's a good observation, bete. Actually, we should write it down. 1 second, my screen got off, I believe. So is the screen still shared? Nahi na?
No, ma'am.
All right, let me share the screen. Yes, you are right, because the answer is improper, so we should convert it into mixed number, right? So just we can do that. Let me share the screen again. All right. So I have shared the screen again, and this is the question. You are right. We need to write it down in the mixed number. So what will be the mixed number of 15 by 56 by 15? Take 56 inside, 15 outside. 15 3s are 45. 11 आंसर है. तो इसका मिक्स्ड फॉर्म होगी 3 होल्स 11 by 15, राइट?
Yes.
ठीक है बेटा? Alright. So can you do the rest of the 2 questions on your own? B and C part,
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
right? Alright.
If I can do it for the homework.
Yes, you can do it as a homework. So then we can go back and see what is there. This I have done. So now the next question is word problems, right? So we will see about them. So let's check out the next worksheet. Worksheet 1.03. This is the worksheet I have shared yesterday, right? So this you have done already. So the fourth worksheet is basically the word problems, which we will start tomorrow, right? So for now,
Okay.
these are the questions. So anything you cannot understand, Bite?
Mom, I understand. Mom,
Right.
one question I don't understand that um, if both sides they are having variables and variables on both sides and
Mm.
we have to find the value of x ratio y.
All right. So we can give na these questions. So like the question number 2 is like this. So we can discuss right now. So
Yes.
sometimes na when you don't know, because if there is one unknown in the question, so then we can find it out through the ratio. But if there are two unknowns, so we cannot find out the variable, but we can find out their ratio. So in this question, let's say question number 2 may, the question is 3x by 8. 3x by 8 is equal to 9y by 4. This is the question. And we need to find out x ratio y. What is x ratio y in fraction? It is x by y.
Yes.
So instead of finding value of x and value of y, we will find out this fraction x by y. Right? So for that, we need to arrange this ratio in such a way that x by y is on one of the side and there is other value on the other side. So we need to rearrange them. So we will cross multiply. So it will be 12x is equal to 72y. So now you can just, because x is here, so we can take this y on the other side of the equation. So it will be 12x by y is equal to 72. And now this 12 is extra. Now we need x by y only. So we can take this 12 on the other side of the equation. So it is 72 by 12. Right? So the answer is
6
6.
by
6
1.
by 1. So x ratio y is equal to
6.
6 ratio 1.
1.
Right? So this is sometimes we don't find the exact value of x and y, but we can find out their ratio. Okay, what is the answer of their ratio? So in that case, we need to move the, or we need to rearrange the ratio in such a way that the fractions are coming on one, the variables are coming on one side of the equation, right?
Yes, no.
All right. So we take any question till this point.
No.
All right. So you can practice these questions more.
Ma'am, you can send them as a homework.
I can send them as a homework.